Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is February 3rd, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the S&P 500 as SPY on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. No trade recommendations, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump right over here to the charts, and let's see what's going on this past week. Maximize this chart, the quarterly chart. Again, we're still looking very bullish. We're still below the yearly R1. So I believe, in my opinion, I believe we still can go a little bit higher because we're above these all-time highs right back here. We are in that all-time high area. The thing is, I look more for a resistance and a turnaround or a swing back at this, a larger swing back at this time point, and all. So that's what I see there on the quarterly chart. On the monthly chart, let's go ahead. On the monthly chart, as you can see, man, this market has been really moving this quarter. Higher highs, higher lows, and we're still below R1. Look like we will probably hit 500 again. 500 is only $4 away. So $4 away from the high that it made. So again, kind of expect us to blow through that maybe next week. Not sure, but people like trading to round numbers, and that's what I see there. We're above the 10 moving average, so we are still bullish. Going down to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, what I see here, again, higher highs, higher lows. These are monthly pivots. Next week, we'll be starting on the new monthly pivots and all. We're going to be opening up. We're going to be opening up real close to an R1. This is kind of strange when we do that like that. Will we end up getting a pullback right away at the beginning of the month? That wouldn't be too big of a surprise. That happens, That happens, like looking back here and all. And will we get that little pullback then before we actually end up going higher? That's going to be kind of interesting to see how the week opens up next week. So we'll be looking out for that. But as you can see, this week we did make another new high, and I still do expect us to be going higher based on the bigger pictures on the monthly and the quarterly that we have looked at. All right, let's take a quick look at the daily chart and wrap this on up. Again, this is on the SPY. It looked a little bit more funnier than what it did on the S&P, on the Nasdaq 100 and all. The Nasdaq showed a clear bearish pattern and all, that we were at near top and all, and we have been making highs, and it gave us this pullback and all. This was the end of the month pullback really too, and then this market ended up marching up higher here at the end of the weekend and actually made that all-time high, a new all-time high on Friday. And it's been doing that. Kind of notice it's a pattern that's beginning to emerge here where this market is making all-time highs on Friday. No trade recommendation, just an observation that I've been seeing here lately. While this market has been going up, it doesn't go straight up, but it has been going up. All right, and that's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys have a great week, having a great weekend, and I'll speak with you next week. Have a good one. Bye.